Hello, test takers. Welcome back to Exam Prep Solutions. And today we've got another example problem here. We're getting into some construction problems, and we're going to be looking at some construction operations. A lot of times these problems may not require an equation from the FE manual, but really just going to require some logical thinking and a bit of math and a bit of reasoning here, really tapping into your engineering skills instead of just applying a blanket equation across the board. So let's take a look at this one. It says a dump truck operating at full capacity can haul 35 cubic yards of material per hour. The work days are 8 hours, and the dump truck operates 55 minutes out of every hour. Given that there is 2,000 cubic yards of material to haul, how many work days will be required to haul all of the material from the site? So that should say all of the material. Okay, so we got to haul. So what we're given here in this problem is it can haul 35 cubic yards per hour, and there's 2,000 cubic yards total in this situation, and it can operate 55 minutes out of 60 minutes here. So this is given. So really this 35 cubic yards here per hour, it's not really the number we want to use because it's only operating 55 minutes on average out of the 60. So what we got to do is go 55 divided by 60 equals, that's the percentage, multiply that by 35. So really it can haul 32, we're going to say 32.1 cubic yards per hour. Okay, that's the number that we're going to stick with there. And so given that there's 2,000 cubic yards of material to haul, how many work days will be required? So there's 8 hours in a work day. We're going to go 8 times our 32.1, and that equals 256.8. So that's how many yards we're going to be able to haul per day. And if we go 2,000 divided by 256.8, that'll yield us 7.7882 days, right? And so since we can't actually work 7.7882 days, and that's not really an answer that's listed here, what would we put? Would we put B, answer 7 days, or C for the answer of 8 days? And so what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to put answer C, 8 days. Because this project is, although they might finish early on that 8th day, we want to estimate this project will take 8 total days. So the answer would be C for this one. Really some basic math, making sure you're accounting for what is given in the problem, what makes sense, and then using your engineering judgment to determine how long this project would actually take. So that's the answer to this problem, 8 days. We have a free guide how to answer any FE exam problem down in the description box down below. Just tell us where to send it, and we'll send you that guide. It can help you solve any of those problems there. If you have any questions or comments about this problem, leave it in a comment down below, and like and subscribe. We're going to continue to put out these problems on a weekly basis, and we'll see you guys next time.